River harp. Drammen is the river city of Norway. In the river lives the water spirit Nuggen, whose beautiful music lured folk to drowning. We responded to this unique side character by using a pedestrian cable bridge as a harp to play music to appease him. This is done by monitoring the bridge movement with embedded accelerometers and then sending the signals to 2 giant Helmholtz resonators by each bank of the river. Here, the signals are processed into a choir of local voices singing to Nuggen. These resonators are tuned to the molecular resonance of water and ice to make sure Nuggen receives the music in all seasons. Separately, we modified Michael Faraday's 1831 liquid dynamo experiment on Waterloo Bridge. We created a setup for the public to listen to Nuggen. We ran an electric cable along the bridge, dipping its ends into the river as Faraday did. But a break is left on our wire for the public to connect his or her conductive self in order to complete the circuit with the minerals of the river running through the Earth's magnetic field. Here, one becomes part of the environmental liquid dynamo while listening to the jostling water molecules of Nuggen's habitat.